here with broken hearts, but full of love tonight. The way you held us through the years still shines a guiding light. You taught us how to laugh and dream, to stand when we fall down. And though you've gone, your love remains. It's everywhere around. Thank you, Mom, for
Hello, Nay.
for every lullaby.
Gusto ko lang pong sabihin sa inyo, kahit sa huling sandali po, gusto ko pong magpasalamat. Maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat. Napakaswerte ko po dahil ikaw po yung naging biyanan ko sa lahat ng tulong, sa kabaitan mo. Hindi ko po yan makakalimutan, lalo na ang mga payo mo. You are the best mother-in-law, nanay ng lahat, napakabait na anak, kapatid, kaibigan, and the best lola sa lahat ng mga apo mo. Hindi ka man namin makakasama at makikita, Nay, mananatili ka pong buhay sa aming mga puso't isipan. Maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat. Maligayang paglalakbay, wala ka nang mararamdamang sakit. Hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita. Love you, Nay.
One day we'll meet beyond the sky, where tears are washed away. Until that time we'll keep your love, it lives in us each day. Thank you, Mom, for every kiss, for every lullaby, for holding us through stormy days, for teaching us to try. Your love's the song that never ends. The melody goes on, we're carrying within our hearts. Thank you.
Malakas ka na ulit, Nay, ah.